Sleek, elegant and stylish, the Prestige 3-for-1 series is here to bring your creations to life. Enjoy the extra screen space. The 5K ultrawide panel is perfect for multitasking and enhances your productivity. The frameless design is also quite a nice sight and makes sure no space is wasted. Create without compromise. Let your projects come to life with Nano IPS panel. Together with DCI-P3, you get the best viewing angles and accurate color reproduction. Your creations will be more vivid than ever. HDR600 is here to enrich your life with improved blacks, contrast and color depth. The Creator OSD lets you get the most out of your monitor. You can assign dedicated profiles with optimized settings per program. Need to change the color profile quickly? Only 2 clicks away. Multitasking becomes much easier and efficient by splitting your windows into one of the predetermined positions. Even when using multiple systems, the Prestige PS 3-for-1 series lets you view them simultaneously.
With a sleek curved screen and stunning WQHD plus 3840 by 1600 resolution, the ViewSonic VP3881 monitor elevates your viewing experience from flat to panoramic. Colorful curves are ahead thanks to an expansive 38-inch concave screen and a factory-calibrated Delta E less than 2 value that delivers incredible front-of-screen performance and color reproduction. With an ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio, a frameless screen with ultra-thin bezels, and integrated speakers, this monitor delivers amazingly immersive images ideal for video editing, content development, and other color-critical applications. With the ability to decode HDR10 video signals, this monitor delivers incredibly detailed video playback. Colors are brighter and more vivid, and contrast is richer and more detailed. What's more, HDCP 2.2 content protection is standard across all ports to provide secure 4K content playback, streaming, and gaming. Hardware calibration is also available with the optional ViewSonic calibration kit, which puts color at your command with quick and easy monitor calibration to maintain color accuracy. In addition to future-proof DisplayPort and HDMI inputs, a powerful USB 3.1 Type-C input delivers charging power, data, video, and audio over a single connector.